अनुजाय नमः. Bhagavad Gita, chapter 2, verse number 32. We look at the verse and we look at the commentary given by Bhagavad Ramanujacharya for these verses. Verse 32 and the subsequent verses after that. यदृच्छया चोपपन्नं सर्गद्वारमपावृतं सुखिनः क्षत्रिया पार्थ लभन्ते युद्धमीदृशम्. Again, यदृच्छया चोपपन्नं स्वर्गद्वारमपावृतं सुखिनः क्षत्रियाः पार्थ लभन्ते युद्धमीदृशम्. हिंदी ट्रांसलेशन, हिंदी में अनुवाद. पार्थ, अपने आप प्राप्त यह स्वधर्म रूप युद्ध स्वर्ग का खुला द्वार है. भाग्यशाली क्षत्रिय ही इस प्रकार के युद्ध को पाते हैं. फिर एक और बार. पार्थ, अपने आप प्राप्त यह स्वधर्म रूप युद्ध स्वर्ग का खुला द्वार है. भाग्यशाली क्षत्रिय ही इस प्रकार के युद्ध को पाते हैं. So in English, here Bhagavan Shri Krishna is telling Arjuna that this war that has come upon you is actually a blessing in disguise. Is actually a blessing for you as a Kshatriya. Only those Kshatriyas who are punyavan, who've done some merit, some piety, get such opportunities for engaging in such a dharmic war. And this easily, facilely enables you to enter Swargam. Just by engaging in this war, you can easily enter Swarga. So that's what is told by Bhagavan Shri Krishna to Arjuna in this verse. Now we look at Bhagavad Ramanujacharya's commentary on this verse. Ayatnopanatam idam niratishe sukhopaaya bhutam nirvignam idrisham yuddham sukhinah punyavantah kshatriya labhante. Again, ayatnopanatam idam निरतिशय सुख उपाय भूतम निर्विघ्नम ईदृशम युद्धम सुखिनः पुण्यवन्तः क्षत्रियाः लभन्ते. हिंदी में अनुवाद. बिना प्रयत्न के अपने आप प्राप्त हुए ऐसे बाधा रहित निरतिशय सुख के साधनभूत इस युद्ध को सुखी पुण्यवान क्षत्रिय ही प्राप्त करते हैं. फिर एक और बार. बिना प्रयत्न के अपने आप प्राप्त हुए ऐसे बाधा रहित निरतिशय सुख के साधनभूत इस युद्ध को सुखी पुण्यवान क्षत्रिय ही प्राप्त करते हैं. सो व्हाट द वे Sri Ramanujacharya explains this is that Bhagavan Shri Krishna is telling Arjuna that without effort itself, bina prayatna ke, without effort, this war has come upon you. It's not that you went and sought this war, the war itself has come upon you. So only, and this, just by engaging in this war, just by doing your part in this war, you will certainly be able to attain happiness which is without any obstacle. So you will be able to attain a very high quality of happiness. So only very meritorious Kshatriyas, those who've done a lot of punya, even get an opportunity to engage in such a battle. So please do engage in this war. Do not run away from it. Next verse. अथ चेत्त्वमिमं धर्म्यं संग्रामं न करिष्यसि ततः स्वधर्मं कीर्तिं च हित्वा पापमवाप्स्यसि. अथ चेत्त्वमिमं धर्म्यं संग्रामं न करिष्यसि ततः स्वधर्मं कीर्तिं च हित्वा पापमवाप्स्यसि. अब यदि तू इस धर्मरूप संग्राम को नहीं करेगा तो अपने धर्म को और कीर्ति को खोकर पाप को प्राप्त होगा. अब यदि तू इस धर्मरूप संग्राम को नहीं करेगा तो अपने धर्म को और कीर्ति को खोकर पाप को प्राप्त होगा। Bhagavan Shri Krishna continues, he says that if Arjuna, just as you've been protesting that you will not engage in this war, if you go on that line, if you run away from this war, if you desist from taking part in this war, then in this dharmic war, then instead of getting dharma and kirti, which is fame and pious merit, instead of that you will only earn papam, sin, demerit. You will only earn a lot of papam. If you engage in this war, you will attain punyam and you will attain kirti, fame, good name. But instead, if you go away from this war, if you run away from this war, then you will only earn lot of sin, papam. Bhagavad Ramanuja's commentary. अथ क्षत्रियस्य स्वधर्मभूतम् इमम् आरब्धं संग्रामं मोहात् अज्ञानात् न करिष्यसि चेत् ततः प्रारब्धस्य स्वधर्मस्य अकरणात् स्वधर्मफलं निरतिशयसुखं विजयेन निरतिशयां कीर्तिं च हित्वा पापं निरतिशयम् अवाप्स्यसि। अथ क्षत्रियस्य स्वधर्मभूतम् इमम् आरब्धं संग्रामं मोहात् अज्ञानात् न करिष्यसि चेत् ततः प्रारब्धस्य धर्मस्य अकरणात् स्वधर्मफलं निरतिशयसुखं विजयेन निरतिशयां कीर्तिं च हित्वा पापं निरतिशयम् अवाप्स्यसि। हिंदी ट्रांसलेशन। यदि क्षत्रिय के स्वधर्म रूप इस आरंभ किए हुए संग्राम को तू मोह अज्ञान के कारण नहीं करेगा, तो प्रारंभ किए हुए धर्म का संपादन न करने के कारण तू स्वधर्म पालन के फल निरतिशय सुख और विजय से प्राप्त होने वाली निरतिशय कीर्ति को खोकर निरतिशय पाप को प्राप्त होगा। फिर एक और बार, यदि क्षत्रिय के स्वधर्म रूप इस आरंभ किए हुए संग्राम को तू मोह अर्थात अज्ञान के कारण नहीं करेगा, तो प्रारंभ किए हुए धर्म का संपादन न करने के कारण तू स्वधर्म पालन के फल निरतिशय सुख और विजय से प्राप्त होने वाली निरतिशय कीर्ति को खोकर निरतिशय पाप को प्राप्त होगा। So what is being told here is, Bhagavan Shri Krishna is telling Arjuna, this, you are a Kshatriya Arjuna, and this war which has already started, you already entered the battlefield with the intention of taking part in the war, and the opposing warriors have also come, and people on your side have also come. So the war has already started. This war which has already started, and which is Swadharma, which is the ordained duty for a Kshatriya like you, if out of Ajnanam, if out of delusion, if out of a very wrong understanding of things, if you run away from this at this juncture, then the fact that you are running away from a dharma which has already started, you are not completing it. So what would happen? So you'll only earn a lot of sin. If you continue in this war, then you would have earned lot of very high quality of happiness, niratishya sukha, because you've done your duty, swadharma palan. And in case you do win, then you'll even earn the kingdom of the earth. Even otherwise, you'll earn lot of fame for doing your whatever was ordained for you. So this happiness, fame, etc., which would have come to you had you engaged in this war, instead of that, if you run away from this war at this juncture, after the war has already started, then instead of all these positive things that you would have instead of that, you will only earn very, very high amount of papam, sin. So that is what is being told. Next verse. अकीर्तिं चापि भूतानि कथयिष्यन्सि ते व्ययां सम्भावितस्य च कीर्तिं मरणाद् अतिरिच्यते. अकीर्तिं चापि भूतानि कथयिष्यन्ति ते व्ययां सम्भावितस्य च कीर्तिः मरणाद् अतिरिच्यते. इतना ही नहीं, सब लोग तेरी सब जगह सदा रहने वाली अकीर्ति की भी चर्चा करेंगे. प्रतिष्ठित पुरुष के लिए अकीर्ति मरने से भी अधिक बुरी होती है. इतना ही नहीं, सब लोग तेरी सब जगह सदा रहने वाली अकीर्ति की भी चर्चा करेंगे. प्रतिष्ठित पुरुष के लिए अकीर्ति मरने से भी अधिक बुरी होती है. So we look at this verse and subsequent verses in future sessions. So thank you very much. Hare Krishna. Srimate Ramanujaya Namaha.